Okay guys, again, I just wanted to reiterate my problems if somebody can help me. Again, I was at a red light, pressing the brakes firmly, of course, naturally, and and I heard this hissing noise, louder. It tends to be a louder hissing noise when I'm pressing the brakes at a stop sign, but when I accelerate, you don't hear, it's not as much, it's very faint. But when I coast without pressing the gas or the brakes, I hear it like at a medium level, the hissing noise. So it's a 2002 325 CI, also e46, and I don't know what it is exactly, what the issue is, but if you guys can help me out, I'm gonna see if you guys can perhaps listen to the noise while I stop here at the entrance of my house. It's a hissing noise. Don't know if you can tell or hear it, but it's coming from somewhere there. I've watched some of the videos, and something tells me that it's an airflow sensor. But my mechanic said that it's brand new. It has been replaced. So I think it's an airflow sensor because there's a lot of air leaving when I press the brakes, I would say. So I'm confused. If somebody can kind of let me know, I would appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.